What's up guys, this is Jay here, JMedia1, and today we're back with another product tech review. Today we got the AirTags here. We got the brand new ones and we ordered the 4-pack because why not? These do come with custom engraving. You can get them engraved with initials or emojis or anything like that. Kind of cool little feature to those. But the AirTags are a super cool device. And so what we're going to do is we're going to unbox it. So we're just going to pull that actually. We're going to go. And there is a tag or a little tab. So you pull down on the little tab, pull that out, and there it is. It slides right out for you. So we have some reading material in the back, nothing fancy. It kind of opens like a book here, and then folds open. And then it tells you basically how to set them up, what to do. There's 4 AirTags in there. Pull them out, they're just these little pills. They're not very big, so I got this one engraved for my wife. And so there is a little tab on the back here, and when you pull that out, it activates the battery in there. Keeps that contact away so it doesn't ruin the battery. And here we have another one, and these are super tiny. If I put it in the palm of my hand, you can see just how tiny this thing really is. It's super little, which is good. The only bad thing that a lot of people are expressing concerns about with these is that there is no lanyard to attach them to anything. There's no real way to do that. This isn't a problem for me with these ones, and the reason why is because I'm just going to put them in my bag. So this is going to be to track my bag, this is going to be to track my wife's purse, things like that. You can purchase a lanyard through Apple, and there is a few other companies that are making these right now that allow you to slide it into the lanyard, and then you can carry it around that way. But they don't have any kind of hook or anything on them where you can put them in your put them on your keys. So you do have to go that option. If you peel this off, you can see how shiny chrome that is. Problem with that is it's going to scratch very easily, and I think there's a lot of people already complaining about that. But I do like the size. I do like that they're super clean looking, classic of Apple. I put my initials on here. You can put whatever you like on there. Like I said, it's limited by characters, of course, but it doesn't have to be very large, and you can put an emoji on there as well. So in order to set these things up, you just got to pull out your iPhone, and then you pull the tag, and you can hear it make a noise right there. And as soon as I do that, you can see that it wants to connect right there to my phone, and it automatically pops up. These do have the Apple chip inside of them that allows them to do that, which is really cool. And then you can name the AirTag whatever you want to do with it. I'm going to put this in my handbag, so we'll go with handbag here. Backpack, same thing. And then it shows who it's registered to. You just hit continue there, and then it proceeds to do the setup process. And it's just a cool little graphic of the AirTag floating around inside of there, so it is doing the setup. I mean, there's not much to this. Anybody can set this up. You just pull the tag out and it starts going. I love that Apple does this with their chips. It makes it super easy to set up all their devices. It works like that with their earphones and everything. So it says when the AirTag is nearby, an arrow will point to its precise directions. I've used these on my keys to find my keys many times. It's super cool how it allows you to track them. You can play a sound as well. You can kind of hear the sound. It's not extremely loud, but it's high pitched, and when it's high pitched, it makes it easier for you to hear. And then you can set it up to notify you if you leave this thing behind. So if you leave the house without your bag, it'll pop up with a notification saying, hey, you left your tag behind. So you can view it in your Find My app, and then it shows my keys on there already, but now it also shows my backpack as well, which is super cool. And then if you click on that and you want to play a sound, you just click on play the sound, and you can hear it. That high pitch is what makes it easier to find, and then if you click on find, it pops up with that little arrow and it shows that it's here. Not sure if I move that away. It shows how far away it is, so it's 0.9 feet away now. And as I get closer to it, it starts to come right back in. So the tracking on this thing is extremely accurate and pretty amazing.
Oh no, we are being
If you
tracked.
get even further away from it, the further away you get, it'll show an arrow if you're too far away. And then right there you can see it says that it's nearby, it's about a foot away. And then you can click on this little button here to play your sound. And it makes it super easy to find. The cool part about this is the way that Apple incorporated it, because there are other tracking tags out there. And the way that Apple did that is they made it so that these things can connect to other Apple devices like phones and things. And it's completely private. You don't have access to it on your phone, but it can use those phones for the Bluetooth frequency that it needs in order to find it, so that it can send it in that geolocation. So we're going to go over the tech specs, talk a little bit about the technology behind these, and then we can see if it's something you guys want to purchase. For the price tag, they're 99 bucks if you buy 4 of them together, which is a pretty good deal if you ask me. Okay guys, we're back and we're going to go over some things like how this thing works. So basically what happens is your AirTag sends out a secure Bluetooth signal, and it can be detected by nearby devices in the Find My network. So that's what makes this so special, and it makes it accessible to millions of people out there that own Apple products. They send the location of your AirTag to the iCloud, and then you go to the Find My app and you see it on your app. The whole process is anonymous, it's encrypted, so your privacy is protected, and it's efficient. There's no need to worry about battery life or data usage. These just take little CR2032 watch batteries inside of here that are pretty accessible and easy to get to. It does have lost mode. You can put it into lost mode. When it's in that specific mode, it's detected by a device in the network. You'll get a notification on your phone right off the bat. You can also set it so that someone can get your contact info by tapping on your AirTag with an NFC capable smartphone. That's the same technology that lets people pay for things with their phones at the store. The good part is only you can see where your AirTag is. Your location data and history are never stored. The devices that relay the location of your AirTag stay anonymous, and that location data is encrypted the entire time. So technically not even Apple knows the location of your AirTag or the identity of the device that helps find it. It's designed specifically to discourage unwanted tracking. If someone else's AirTag finds its way into your stuff, your phone will notice when it's traveling with you and send you an alert. After a while, if you still haven't found it, the AirTag will start playing a sound to let you know it's there. Of course, if you happen to be with a friend who has an AirTag or on a train with a whole bunch of people with AirTags, you don't have to worry either, because these alerts are only triggered when the AirTag is separated from its owner, which is a super cool piece of technology they built in. You saw how it's one tap, super easy to get in. The AirTag's battery is super long life. It's designed to last an entire year. It is splash resistant, so if you drop your tag in a puddle, for example, it's meant to be water resistant for something like that. It wouldn't submerge it underwater. You get the engraving for free. You get the delivery for free on these. And like I said, you can purchase them as a 4-pack for $99, which is super, super cheap if you ask me for what it does. It doesn't look like it's too beefy or meaty, but this thing is super heavy duty. It's not going to break very easily. It may scratch, it may wear a little bit, but it's not going to break. A single one is $29, and just like Apple, they offer free delivery, easy returns, things like that. So if you guys find this video informative, hit the like button, subscribe to the video so you can see more cool things that we're doing in the future, and we will see you guys next time.